Hello guys, Dirt Friend, I'm having an awesome day guys, and today guys you might be like, why do you got a unicorn over here? I don't know. But anyway guys, the reason I do have a unicorn is, guess what? I sort of lost my Dirt Friend figure. So instead right now we have a unicorn representing my YouTube video. Sorry about that guys. I don't know what's happening here. But anyway, let me mute that. We have this unicorn and for some reason, I don't know what happened. I mean, it's pretty cool. It will now be mine. Dirt Friend, I guess, is stuck in here. I don't know. But anyway, guys, that's not... Throw all these over here. That's not what this video is about. This video is about the Japanese foil ball. So I thought, yeah, this is a pretty cool thing if you guys don't know what it is. You take tinfoil, you roll into a ball, and then you use like a hammer, bang, 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 and then you do all this stuff. It's so hard and complicated. It doesn't make any sense. So today, guys, I got a super duper easy way to make the Japanese foil ball. And I did not make a foil ball. I am going to show you how to make a marshmallow foil ball. Japanese marshmallow foil ball. It's way easier. Now let me go get my marshmallow. Sorry about that, guys. I forgot to get it. Okay guys, sorry about that. I don't know why I stopped the video. But anyway, here's a marshmallow tinfoil ball. Now I'm really bad at this. I hammered down not that much. Guys, I got a rush, so I quickly did it. But it's a marshmallow looking. Now, you can make it any shape. I just thought this was like the simplest shape quickly. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's super duper shiny. Now I do have this part. You will be getting that. But I'm about to go outside and I will go show you guys what it looks like. I think, right? Yeah. I'm not thinking about it right now. The cool thing about this is if you feel it, like, you guys probably can't see it, but it is not breaking at all. So we're about to go outside. I'll show you guys how to make it. Now, things that you are going to use tinfoil and wood. So that's all you guys are going to need for this really simple DIY. And this won't make it like super duper shiny like the Japanese foil balls, but you can make it pretty shiny still. Now you may be able to see these. That's just because I didn't hammer down that much. For this one, I probably won't hammer down as much as this one, yeah. But yeah, guys, let's go outside. Okay, guys, so now I'm outside. Okay, wow, that was quick. Now we're outside. I got this one, you need a stick. But first, you're going to just need a little bit of tinfoil. So I might get more a little bit later. But first, you're just going to want to roll up like this. And you're just going to want to start to go like this. So it's almost like you're rolling like this. And then you roll like this. And just want to keep doing this until you have all the tinfoil. So I guess I'll do this on camera just so that you guys can try to get the shape. And it's really hard if you mess up. And close to the you might not have to do that as much. Now with your hands, if you still can sort of, try to shape it more into whatever you're trying to make. I think this do what I can make. And next, after that, you're just going to take your little stick and you're just going to bang for it to get flatter. Now this is the time where you want to shape it. So I'm just going to shape mine over here. And if you ever want, you can always wrap more tin foil. I think I might make it a marshmallow, but I don't know yet. And whenever you start to get, I don't recommend using edges, so I usually just go like this. And so as you guys can tell, I'm trying to get alright something, and the sun is so bright it's reflecting off of it. So I'm actually getting pretty lucky this time, but you're just gonna keep bumping it and hitting it, and you're gonna want to get a pretty thick, a good stick so that it stays. And you want to try to make sure, guys, that it is really good but it doesn't really matter that much. As you guys can tell, also banging at this makes it more shinier. You can shape it, but also makes it more shinier. And the even cooler thing is it's super duper easy. I bet you inside your kitchen, guys, you probably have some tinfoil. You might not even know it. If you're like a kid, this is super DIY, super easy, super simple. I mean, I'm just going to keep banging. And I think now I'm just going to keep banging until I think mine is really, like, good looking. And then after that, I'll be back. I don't know what I'm trying to do. But you guys watch this. I have to bang to make a marshmallow. It's really hard. So guys, I don't know if you guys haven't seen, but you guys might be starting to see these little parts are like this. Well, there really is no way, but I think that there might be a way. As I just did, it will make it small. You just go like this, and you just fold it in even more, and after that, you probably can just go like that. That's a pretty, and after that, hammer it down. You might still have it, guys, but you won't have it as worse. Now I'm just gonna go back and hammer. Hey guys, so I am finished, and guess you guys will not just believe what happened. Look at that, it looks like a hair almost. So I thought, what if there was a way to, I'm gonna put Sharpie on this, and I can make a little Japanese foil ball figurine. Whoa, that was crazy. I mean, you guys can pretty tell. That is so cool. Now, someone's they're cutting down trees or something where I live, and it's so weird, so we're just gonna have to wait. That might be a little noisy. Guys, now I'm just gonna put the Sharpie on, and yeah, let's start. And I honestly did not think this would happen. Now, I'm just playing it on, I think it'd be cool, you guys can see the hairstyle. Now, I've banged a lot. It might not seem like I banged a lot, but I also got a lot of this. I've probably been banging for half an hour, maybe an hour. It's been a long time. So, yeah, guys. Now, I'm going to go get my Sharpie, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm going to put a face. So, let's hope that I don't get this really weird looking. There, guys, make a little happy face. Not so bad yet. Then, I'm just going to put the classic one, because I was just going to look really weird. You know, I think it already does look really weird. Yeah, guys, I'm not the best at making faces. But you guys can see the hair. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Leave a like and subscribe. Guys, I know somebody tried to do this. I don't remember to do it back again. It's just how bad I am at doing these YouTube videos. But anyway, guys, I do enjoy doing these. Let me just take this guy out for a second. Just brush off all the bark that I took off for that. And guys, you guys can make anything out of this foil. And guys, look at it. Guys, I'm gonna go throw this, and then I'm gonna come back, and you guys are gonna see that this is the same. Oh, yo, guys, it just like skipped rocks almost. So I'll be back to go get it. Guys, and look at that. He looks the same. I'm pretty sure, at least. Now, his hair might be a little flimsy, this guy. But I decided to do this. You guys can really decide anything. I did show you guys before my marshmallow. Which, yeah, guys. So if you guys did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. I know this is getting pretty famous. More like the actual Japanese foil ball. No one wants to see this. I would just go. But I thought it would be pretty cool to show you guys. I don't really have to make the Japanese foil balls. You also can make Japanese foil people. There's a big difference, guys. You know, it's not really Japanese because now I sort of take the point. But anyway, guys, this is super duper easy. I just use this, some tinfoil, and I use Sharpie, but Sharpies are optional. Anyway, guys, hope you guys did enjoy this video. Leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. And yeah, and guys, just telling you. If you guys, sometimes I know people want to know the exact day when I'm actually filming this. I'm filming this the day that the USA, that Marvel's Infinity War come out. That would be April 27th. So yeah, guys. Bye!